Hi guys, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living this week. Before I start this week, I just want to say thank you to you guys, my subscribers. Thank you for watching, thank you for sharing, thank you for subscribing. This week I passed a little goal, 200 plus subscribers, so I owe it to you guys. Thank you. Now for this week, I made a kind of a three-course meal with meat, potatoes, and greens all at one time. It's honey, mustard, chicken, and sides. Come follow me along this video. I'll show you how easy it is. My God, what did you eat? Okay, let's get started, folks. We're going to start with the honey mustard. We're going to need a half a cup of Dijon mustard. We're going to add to that a half a cup of honey. That pours a little slower. Now we're going to add a teaspoon of paprika to spice it up. A tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to give it some tang. And we're going to add some salt to the mixture. Now we're going to stir that up properly. I started with the fork. We're going to switch to a whisk here and make sure we get that stirred up and get the mixture nice and smooth. Set that aside. There's my new cutting board that I got for Christmas, guys. I'm going to take 3 average sized potatoes and cut that down into 1-inch wedges. Set that aside. Now I take a medium yellow onion, slice this down and dice this up into about a cup of diced onion. Set that aside. Time to season the chicken, folks. I took 2 1-pound breasts of chicken, sliced them down into 4 slices each. Season it up with some salt, some pepper. Flip that over. Season it up with some salt and some pepper again. We're going to add some ground thyme and some garlic for seasoning. Flip that over and get the other side with the thyme and the garlic. Set that aside. Okay, now it's time to get the frying pan heated up and ready. Add some oil to the frying pan, get that heated up, spread it around nicely. Add the chicken to the frying pan. We're going to fry for 2 minutes on each side. Get a nice golden brown crust on each side. Flip it over. There you go, nice and golden brown, right? There you go, time's up. Pull the chicken off of the frying pan. Add a little more oil back to the frying pan. Now we're going to add the potatoes to the frying pan, toss them around and cover them up with the oil. They're nice and coated. Now we're going to season it with some salt, some pepper, and some thyme leaves. Toss that around some more, make sure it gets good and coated and season it up. Now we're going to add the potatoes to a casserole dish, spread that around, and put that layer of yellow onions on the top of the potatoes here. We're going to put that into the oven at 375 degrees for half an hour. Half an hour's up, folks. Now here we go, we're going to add, you ready? The green beans. Put a layer of green beans on that. Top that off with the chicken. Cover that up another 15 minutes at 375 degrees. 15 minutes is up. Back out of the oven. Now we're going to add the honey mustard. Put 1 layer of honey mustard on. I chose to flip over the chicken breast and put the rest of the honey mustard on. Cover that back up. Back into the oven, another 15 minutes at 375 degrees. 15 minutes is up. We're going to check the temperature of the chicken. If we're at 160 or better, we're good. And I believe we are good. There you go, folks. Can't wait to get a taste of that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You can taste that honey mustard flavoring and the seasoning all the way through. And I have meat, potatoes, and greens all on one plate. Well, you should give this a try. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Best way to do that is cook it yourself. Homestead kitchen living. Making cooking fun again. Don't forget, if you liked it, click the like button. Subscribe. Share it with a friend. Don't forget to remember to thank our Creator. My prayer is that Jesus would keep you safe until we meet again. Thanks again.